Sasa wakati imefika ambao tunachagua rais mwingine, na mimi nataka kusimama hapa mbele yenu ya Wakisii niwaambie, hatuwezi kusahau vitendo vyema Rais Kibaki ametufanyia, na sisi kama Wakisii tunamheshimu, na akiritaya tutaendelea kumheshimu. Kwa hii mkutano, fikira yenu, kwa sababu mniuliza swali kwa radio, ase ninasimama wapi? Mnafikiria ninasimama wapi sasa? Ninasimama wapi?
Your Excellency the President, on behalf of 40 People Party, we congratulate you today for the announcement you have made, and we join you in this journey of your second term. Fellow Kenyans, as you will recall, after the year 2002 general elections, the people of Kenya decided that we work together with President Kibaki and his government to revive the economy and enhance the development of our country. Since then, President Kibaki's government has a solid leadership in improving the welfare of the people of Kenya. It is only a blind person who would not see what the administration of President Kibaki has done. Very useful and progressive reforms have taken place in various sectors of our economy, and the results are very clear for us all to see throughout the country. In consultation with the leadership of 40 people, we have decided to support the re-election of President Mwai Kibaki for another five-year term to consolidate the economic gains the country has made so far, to continue the path of economic reform and enhance the stability of the country. We are aware that we need to carry on with reforms in various aspects of our governance and the economy. This is in order, and we would like to continue with this path. We will continue our consultations with other like-minded parties on the formula of managing our parliamentary and civic elections. And these, we have started the consultations, and we are on the right path. Kenya is bigger than our individual and party aspirations. We strongly believe that what our country needs today is a coordinated and accommodative leadership of the necessary reforms in the economy, not of a revolution. Our country needs a tolerant and inclusive leadership instead of disguised hate propaganda, which seems to be the game of others who want leadership because power can be sweet. The reforms started by the Kibaki administration need to be consulted and deepened. In arriving at this decision, we in 40 people have not ignored the historical backgrounds of all those seeking the office of the president, including President Kibaki's own history since he left Makerere University to serve in a humble position as KANU's National Chief Executive Officer. Since human nature does not change overnight, We do not trust some of those who have offered themselves for the high office of the President of the Republic of Kenya, because you don't change your behavior overnight. History is known. We made this judgment as 40 people because we went through the history of each one of them. And some of us are old enough to know the history of all these people. We have thus concluded that His Excellency President Kibaki provides the best chance of not disrupting the economic growth and the stability of the country we have so far achieved. We are therefore putting the country first and in the hands of very safe hands. We are supporting President Kibaki because Kenya stands best with a leader and a framework that can all of us. We are choosing a leadership structure that is inclusive of the whole country and has a place for the views and contributions of Kenyans of all ages, creed, shades of opinion from all corners of the country.